In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zara gift card balance. Checking your gift card balance is a straightforward process. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once the browser is open, head over to the search bar. Here you'll need to type in the word Zara and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. From there, you want to look for the official Zara website. It should usually appear at the top of the list. You'll recognize it by its domain, zara.com. Click on this link to proceed to the Zara homepage. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing attempts. This is crucial as it keeps your information secure. Now that you're on the Zara homepage, take a look at the upper right corner or possibly a side panel depending on their current layout. You should see a menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this menu icon. Once the menu expands, look for the option that says Gift Card. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage your gift card details. Next up, on the right side of the screen, you should see an option that says View Balance. Click on this link. This step is essential because it directs you to the specific page where you can check the balance of your gift card. Once you're on the balance check page, you'll notice there are fields for entering your card number and CVV. The card number is typically found on the back of your gift card. It's a sequence of numbers that identifies your specific card. As for the CVV, this is a security code, usually a 3-digit number, also located on the back of the card. Enter both the card number and CVV into the respective fields. After entering this information, you'll want to look for a button labeled Check or something similar. Go ahead and click this button. This action is what will trigger the system to retrieve your current balance. You will see your available balance displayed on the screen shortly after clicking. At this point, you should have successfully checked your Zara gift card balance. If everything was entered correctly, you will now know exactly how much you have to spend. This is helpful when planning your shopping trip, ensuring you stay within your budget. And there you have it, the entire process, step by step. Checking your gift card balance is a quick and easy task that ensures you're always informed about your available funds. Remember, keeping track of your balance helps you manage your expenses better. If you have any issues along the way, consider double-checking your card details for any errors or reaching out to Zara's customer support for assistance. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, happy shopping!